your problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that you could believe all the little lies to tell yourself it. Never get on, it's always look in the place, she is on her own. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truth. She's not in the place, she'll be but don't mistake this girl for being me. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. So maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow, can make it grow, can make it grow. Don't wanna be stuck inside, telling you it ain't what I thought.
I just figured out the best fix. Look at this. Tell me this is not good.
It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow, can make it grow, can make it grow. I don't.
Wanna do unboxing with me, Killer? Do you wanna unbox with me? We have a lot of things to unbox today. By the way, let's start from here. Got some glasses from IKEA.
I don't appreciate the change. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. 'Cause I gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go.
Hi guys, I'm going to bump in. I'm gonna spoil this video. Yeah, bro.
So I got this for a discount. This went from $199 to $127. Not a bad deal.
Gotta know